Thailand's update.
Sawadee krap and welcome to Chiang Mai Voices on FM 98 MHz, and you're tuning into our special 30-minute program on Thailand Update. This is International Project, your passport to the incredible kingdom of Thailand. My name is Peter, your host for this episode, and we'll be exploring the topic of the Michelin Guide's New Frontier, Chiang Mai's culinary soft power. Now, the inclusion of Chiang Mai in the Michelin Guide has transformed the northern Thai city into a major gastro-tourism destination, elevating its unique Lana culinary traditions to international recognition. This, along with the growth of modern, high-quality dining, showcase the new frontier in Thailand's culinary soft power, blending rich, traditional flavors with innovative, sustainable practices. So let's have a look at the landscape and key players. The Michelin Guide's expansion to Chiang Mai, which began in the 2020 edition, has highlighted a diverse food scene, focusing heavily on authentic northern Thai cuisine, or Kap Khao Mueang. Some of the highlights are Bib Gourmand Selections 2025. The 2025 guide features 20 Bib Gourmand restaurants in Chiang Mai, recognizing eateries offering high-quality food at reasonable prices. Notable spots include Khao Soi Mae Sai, famed for its curry-forward northern noodles. Next, we have Huan Suntari, known for Lana cuisine accompanied by live music. Roti Pa De, which is renowned for its street-style pancakes. Next, we have Magnolia Cafe, a cozy restaurant offering bold, local, and increasingly premium-focused Thai dishes. And finally, Huan Muon Chai, known for its authentic, traditional northern cuisine. Innovation and new faces. The 2025 list includes Chawi and Gong Kham, showcasing a mix of traditional and modern, refined Thai cooking. The guide also recently recognized Belen by Paolo Airudo, highlighting a European fine dining influence with local ingredients. So the soft power, overview, and economic impact and regional diversity, the guide highlights the unique mountainous flavors of the north, distinguishing them from Bangkok Central Plains and the coastal south. And we have the gastro-tourism magnet, and the recognition has increased both local and foreign tourists' interest in Chiang Mai as a culinary destination. And finally, supporting local ecosystem. The focus has shifted towards supporting local Thai farmers and promoting ethical, chemical-free, and organic sourcing. Now, moving to focusing on authenticity and value. So while the city is yet to boost a Michelin-starred restaurant, the BIB Gourmand Resonation emphasized the high quality of its street food and local kitchens, which are considered a par with fine dining in terms of flavor and passion. The 2025 selections continue to highlight the incredible value of Chiang Mai cuisine. Let's dive deep into the Michelin Guide for Chiang Mai City, shall we? So Michelin today announced the extension of the Michelin Guide's reach to Chiang Mai with the new edition, the Michelin Guide Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phuket, and Phang Nga 2020, to be released at the end of 2019. This third edition of the Michelin Guide in Thailand boosts to showcase the country's three unique and most vibrant regional food scenes, from the fertile central plains and the coastal south to the mountainous north. And according to the country director of Michelin Siam Company Limited and Secretary General of Michelin East Asia and Australia, Chiang Mai, Thailand, the second largest city, is rich with cultural and culinary treasures that makes this city deserving of being highlighted in the Michelin Guide for its distinctive local cuisine, as well as exceptional accommodation with its unique character and style. Chiang Mai has inherited many Lana legacies, including cuisines and architecture, with influences from Mon, Khmer, Lao, and Burmese cultures throughout the city's centuries-old histories. Today, as a sophisticated metropolitan city, Chiang Mai is constantly evolving with an impressive foodscape marked by an abundance of trendy eateries and a vast variety of international food choices, encompassing the highest number of 27 Royal Project sites in the upper northern region of Thailand. Chiang Mai serve as a major source of fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs that nourish the entire country, a real advantage to the city's local gastronomic offers in terms of freshness for a true farm-to-table experiences and value for money. And we'll take a short break. When we get back, more of Michelin Guide in Chiang Mai City. Thank you for tuning in to our 30-minute segment of business tourism, your passport to the incredible kingdom of Thailand. My name is Peter. Stay tuned.
You're listening to Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM, radio for today's Chiang Mai. We're live, local, and interactive, daily, from 5 to 7 p.m.
Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM. Your voice matters here.
Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our old-top crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only.
You're listening to Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM, radio for today's Chiang Mai. We're live, local, and interactive, daily, from 5 to 7 p.m.
Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM. Your voice matters here.
Thailand's update.
And welcome back to Chiang Mai Voices with our 30-minute segment of International Project, Your Passport to the Incredible Kingdom of Thailand. My name is Peter. We're continuing on with Michelin Guide in Chiang Mai. So apart from its culinary wealth, Chiang Mai is also widely known for its hospitality industry with a huge range of accommodation options for all budgets and preferences, from hostels and homestays to 5-star hotels. Most accommodation establishment features a very unique exterior and interior designs, characterized by a distinctive local background. All of the above mentioned factors contribute to Chiang Mai's tourism that has been attracting a growing number of local and foreign tourists year after year. So the Governor of Tourism Authority of Thailand said that food is reason enough to visit here in fantastic Chiang Mai, as the city is one of the best dining destinations in Thailand. However, this city has a lot more to offer, ranging from natural to cultural attractions, through the gastronomic journeys which will be inspired by the forthcoming edition of the Michelin Guide. It is believed that Chiang Mai will be known among tourists in greater depth and become another gastro-tourism magnet for Thailand. And speaking of gastronomy tourism, let's talk about that, shall we? So Lana gastronomy, which is northern style food. So we're going to decode the lam by food innovation. So not just foreigners, even Thai people may have a question about what lam is. It is a mixture of similar sound from the Thai word and northern dialect, which means extraordinary and mouth-watering. Or, in my own word, it's basically mean delicious. When traveling around in Thailand, especially in Chiang Mai and the rest of the northern Thailand, the traveler would have seen or even tried many menus of the northern food, but they would never known or heard of these menus, the cushion foods created by the concept of Lana gastronomy. And due to the outbreak in the previous COVID-19, the economy fell into recession. Consequently, the Thai government wants to rely on local product and aim to boost purchasing power by diverting a budget of 400 million baht through many stimulus measures. And the Office of National Economic and Social Development Council has allocated 49 million baht for starting the gastronomy tourism Lana Gastronomy Project, which aims to generate income for the region. The project is funded by the Food Innovation and Packaging Center, Chiang Mai University. FIN is working to improve the northern food and product using Chiang Mai province as a northern base for this region. FIN is an expert organization that provides many services related to food and packaging innovation to the public and private sectors as a one-stop service for many years, especially in the northern area. Their office is on the 3rd floor of the Agro-Industrial Faculty in Chiang Mai University. They are modest, but they play a crucial role in the success of many businesses and entrepreneurs in Chiang Mai and around Thailand. They cooperate with various firms and organizations in solving the food and packaging problems and create innovative foods. So the first product, the gastronomy tourism, Lana Gastronomy Project, introduced is Lam Rice Cocoa Ball. The cocoa ball is created by coordination between FIN and Brand New Feel Good restaurant, whose owners are Kun New and Kun Pek. The dessert is made from CMU 107, purple rice, a range of rice types that are distributed to farmers for farming in Thailand. And this is not the first time that FIN has helped not only business but also farmers. Furthermore, Finn worked on transferring CMU technology to provide business sector under the product name P80 Natural Essence, made from longan, which helped many longan farmers who were confronted with the market surplus. This time, it is another big challenge for Finn to use their expertise in food innovation and technology to help resumption of Thailand's tourism and domestic private sector after COVID-19. Consequently, more creative and innovative food menus are developed almost at the same time. They are Jin Gai Jelly Cube, Northern Style Spicy Chicken and Jelly Cube, Jin Som Merinji, Sour Sausage Merinji, Chiang Mai Khao Soi Ice Cream, Khao Soi in Soy, Sparkling Anchan Extract, and Wieng Ping Sphere, Craft Cold Brew Roast Tea. That's exactly what it means. Finn created these menus with scientific research involving food preparation while maintaining qualities of human nutrition. They studied how nutrition relates to broader culture. Furthermore, every menu is from local-based ingredient. It can be said that they applied both art and science very diligently on every single menu. They had an opportunity to showcase their achievement at the Visit Chiang Mai, I Miss You exhibition held in June 2020. The showcase gastronomy technologies, for example, using liquid nitrogen with coconut milk to top the ice cream and making the mini spheres from the rose extract, which gives a similar texture to caviar. The Rose Tea Spheres is a menu born from the coordination between Finn and the local business, Ramming Tea. They managed to launch it as a new product after COVID-19. Like other tourist cities around the world, Chiang Mai is also affected by COVID-19, obviously. And since that time, there's a project named Gastronomy Tourism, Lana Gastronomy, Chiang Mai I Miss You, and presented to the Office of National Economic and Social Development Council to help improve the tourism industry post-COVID era. It is the concept idea of this project that the distinct objective of this project is to make new menus using Chiang Mai's local ingredients. The new menus, of course, will attract many people to travel to Chiang Mai, transforming Chiang Mai to become a city of gastronomy culture, combining science and local ingredients in perfect harmony. So, we start focusing on Chiang Mai as an initial project because of its many restaurant and food ingredients, and we have to address, obviously, the questions of how to attract the tourists, how to select each local ingredients with potential health benefit, and how to create new menu with creativity and innovation. And these questions enable us to come out with new creative menus, new style that becomes a new signature of Thai northern region. In the future, when tourists return to Chiang Mai, they must request to have lam rice and ask about which restaurant has it. This will be the prototype to create a new creative and innovative food. It is not only delicious, has good appearance, and it shows the sincerely from the farmers to the consumer. So the objective is to develop Chiang Mai's province to become the city of Lana, cultural food tourism. New Style has focused on improving all aspects, upstream, midstream, and downstream. So the upstream has been targeting farmers which are operated by the Faculty of Agriculture, Chiang Mai University, and with the concept of molecular agriculture. For midstream is the gastronomy food coding. It is applied to Lana food innovation to develop northern or Lana food with a scientific attempt to promote them to a Michelin star, which Finn and the Faculty of Agro-Industrial Chiang Mai University is responsible for managing every activity related to supporting its purposes, such as arranging the training or seminar to the public or target audience so that they can increase their capability in terms of creating value-added food menus by using local ingredients. And lastly, MICE and the Faculty of Economics, Chiang Mai University, is responsible for the downstream procedure under the concept of Chiang Mai Food Destination to make Chiang Mai the top travel destination as a food heaven. They have created the Creative Lana Gastronomy Atlas, which is a map of famous restaurants in Chiang Mai that provides gastronomy Lana food from this project. All right, that'll be all for this episode. Thank you for tuning in to Chiang Mai Voices on FM 98 megahertz. And this is our 30-minute segment of International Project. My name is Peter. I'll be saying goodbye for now. Thank you for listening and take care. Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. #Thainess. #Thailand only.